Welcome to AamirzTwoCents. A few months ago, we planted some basil, and there are different type of basil available. But this is one of the. I had some basil seeds sitting at my house, so I planted this one, and now it is ready to harvest. In the backyard, I have other stuff as well. So there was some cilantro that we planted. We used it. Then it was ready to harvest. I just put the seeds back to the this plant here, so you can see that this is also. So these are the plants. Just I took all the seeds from those harvested cilantro plant and just put it here. So and tons of cilantro has been grown in this one and the other one. Now what happened with this basil leaf? We planted I don't know, like 3 months or 4 months ago. They were very beautiful and full of all green leaves like this one, and it smells so good. And we use it in a different our dishes, for making pasta. And my wife make those chutneys, and we use it. Let me smell it. Yeah, smells really great. So now what we have here, this is ready to harvest, and what we are gonna do, we are gonna take some basil seeds out of these plants. So these plants are ready. Basil is ready. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get a bunch of them like this. So from here, I'm gonna get a bunch of them, put it here, and I'm gonna grab another branch and get them here. So, and then you can grab from here. So you can use these organic seeds to grow your basil again. So let's come close and let's see what we have. And this is gonna take you a little bit time. So you're gonna see these black seeds right there. So one is right there, and the other one. It's a little hard work. So another one here, right there. So if I will just scratch it there, another one here. So each one has a seed, and what you have to do, you have to take that out. So this is how you're gonna take these seeds. So they're very tiny and hard to get, but you can just another one right there. So keep working with them, and you're gonna keep getting. And here some of them are already there. So I'm gonna collect these seeds, and then we are gonna use next year to grow our plants from there. This is how you're gonna grow your healthy organic basil and enjoy putting into your pasta or in different other dishes. It smells good. What I've been using, I took some of the plants and put into the other pots and kept in the house, where it was getting some sunlight. That was making it very beautiful. This is the plant I was talking about. Now it's done now. So then we throw this, we put this plant outside, and the rain happened, so the water didn't get out of this pot. But this is also, it was producing seeds and everything. So you could have put in the house, so if you need to grow outside and then take those plants and put inside the house just for beautiful fragrance and just to use in your dishes. So really good. It was not a whole lot hard work growing this, so it was good. We really enjoy having these seeds. We really enjoy having this plant in our backyard, so you can come anytime and take some leaves and use in your pasta or other dishes. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.